What's up guys, and welcome to On Our Shelf. Today I'm going to talk about the PlayStation 5 Slim. The PlayStation 5 Slim is nothing new. It's been out for about 3 years. The PlayStation 5 Slim is a smaller version of the original console. The original PlayStation 5 weighs about 11 pounds and the PlayStation 5 Slim weighs about 7 pounds. Despite its smaller size, the PlayStation 5 Slim delivers the same strong performance as the original PlayStation 5. Since this PlayStation 5 is slimmer, it is a better option to take on the go. The original PlayStation 5 stands a whopping 15.4 inches high, 10.2 inches in depth, and 4.1 inches wide, while the Slim model stands 14.1 inches high, 8.5 inches in depth, and 3.8 inches wide. So I think I would rather put my PlayStation 5 Slim in my luggage instead of the enormous PlayStation 5. It has a minimalistic and modern look. It has curved lines and an angular shape. Now, some gamers absolutely love the PlayStation 5 Slim design, while others absolutely hate it. Me personally, I kind of like it. I think it's cool. However, my favorite PlayStation design was the PlayStation 3. Let's talk about the front of the PlayStation 5 Slim design. The front of the console has a power button, 2 USB-C ports, and a disk drive. You can also get a PlayStation 5 Slim model without a disk drive. It's a lot cheaper. Now let's talk about the back of the PlayStation 5 Slim design. There is a power supply, 2 USB-A's, an Ethernet, and an HDMI. You also have some vents on the back too. There are more vents on the side of the console. These vents are great for cooling to prevent the console from overheating. And on this side of the console, we have nothing but a nice black glossy finish. On the bottom of the PlayStation 5 Slim, we have 2 little plastic tiny feet, which allows the console to sit horizontally. They are easy to attach by just pushing them into the little slots in between the panels, and you can remove them. The bottom of the panels has 2 distinct textures. On one side, it's rough, and on the other side, it's smooth. The PlayStation 5 Slim comes with a 1TB internal SSD. You can easily remove the panels. Adding an SSD provides more storage for games. The installation process is very straightforward and similar to the original PlayStation 5. You just remove a cover on the console and secure it with a screw. The outer panels of the PlayStation 5 Slim are designed to be removed, so you can easily get access to several components for maintenance and upgrades. The PlayStation 5 Slim has an interesting looking fan here. Check this out. This fan is a part of their large cooling system to help prevent the console from overheating. Alright, so here is a more detailed breakdown of what processor is in the PlayStation 5 Slim. It has an 8-core processor, Zen 2 CPU, 10.3 teraflops of GPU power, 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 RAM, 1 terabyte of SSD, and a built-in UHD Blu-ray player. Again, the PlayStation 5 Slim retains the same performance-enhancing features as the original. Another cool, fun little thing that the PlayStation 5 Slim added was a fun little Easter egg that pays homage to the original PlayStation. Now onto the controller. The PlayStation 5 controller has adaptive triggers, haptic feedback, and a cool style. You can physically feel connected to your on-screen actions with this controller. This controller has a comfortable design. This controller aims to provide a more immersive and real experience. The PlayStation 5 controller has a built-in microphone. You can easily communicate with friends and fellow gamers in multiplayer sessions. The PlayStation 5 Slim also has a 3.5mm jack for a headset. You can connect your headset straight to the 3.5mm connector for a more private and immersive gaming experience. The PlayStation 5 has a touchpad. The touchpad can be pressed down to act as a button, similar to other buttons on the controller. Now onto the interface. The interface is nice and welcoming. It has great speed and seamless interaction with games and media are displayed. You can easily get to Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and you can easily get to your apps and watch your favorite content in movies. You can also customize the home screen with themes and make it more personal. So in conclusion, the PlayStation 5 Slim is a great console. It's a smaller package, but still packs the same power as the original PlayStation. If you would like more information on the PlayStation 5 Slim, I will put some links in the description box. That brings us to the end of our look at the PlayStation 5 Slim. I hope this video was helpful. If it did, smash that like button, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.